this is the database query code. Firstly, I use a create function to create both database and table. Secondly, I set the seller ID and car ID as primary key to prevent duplication. Now to connect the database with the website, I use MySQL Connect, and I included this connect PHP file into every website page using include. Now I use a SQL query to insert new seller detail into the database using insert into seller, which is the table, and this take the submitted value from the seller register form to using post. Now after register, the user can log in and we check the login to using a SQL query, which collected the seller detail from the seller table where the username match the inputted value and the password match the inputted value. Now, if we found matching detail, we will direct the user into the add car PHP file and record the seller ID for the session, or else we will print out the error message, incorrect user or password. Now, we in every website, in every page, we use a session start to create a global variable between each page, which we recorded the seller ID. Now, if the user have login, then the add car and logout link will appear. If not, only the the login option will appear. For example, only login. After we login, we will be directed to add car, and the add car and logout link will appear instead of the login. Now for the add car PHP file, we also use inserted into SQL query, which collected value from the add car form. Now more into the search. Search, we also use a SQL query to search and firstly we will connect it. We will retrieve all of the matching car detail, and we will print out using echo. However, if we don't find any matching car, we will print out no matching car file. Or if the user hasn't input anything, it will print out enter search criteria and click search. Moreover, I also add a login function, a logout function, which basically destroys remove away the seller ID from this global variable section, which then remove a higher way the add car and logout link and reappear the seller